Today we are going to learn how to make this text revealing effect in Figma in just 2 steps. First, we will make the base component by adding a frame. Make sure that the frame you add is of the same size of your desired screen in which you are going to paste the component. Now add a fill to the component and add a text. Increase the text size and choose your desired font. Now duplicate the text below and change the text. Now to sell this effect, I will add one more extra effect by adding an emoticon. Now add a rectangle and so that it covers the text fully, and add a layer blur of 50. Set the color to the background color of the component and duplicate it to cover the below text. Now make a component and in the second variant take the rectangles out. Now switch to prototype mode and use these settings. Now just copy the component and paste it in your desired screen. You can also improve the effect by changing the size of the text or adding one more screen to add more elements that will animate in after a certain period of time.